In today's video, we're answering a question a lot of Discord users ask. Can you reset a Discord account without access to the email or phone number? The short answer is no, and I'm going to explain why in a clear and simple way, so you know exactly what your options are. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. So, if you've lost access to both the email address and the phone number connected to your Discord account, Discord is not able to reset or recover that account for you. That might sound frustrating, but it's actually a security measure. Discord has to protect accounts from being taken over by someone who isn't the real owner. And because of that, their support team needs a way to verify that you are the actual account holder before they can make any changes. When you try to recover an account, Discord usually relies on the registered email address or the phone number linked to the account. These are the main verification methods used to prove ownership. Without one of them, there's no secure way for Discord support to confirm your identity. That means they cannot reset your password, change your login details, or restore access to the account. Now, if you still have access to the email address or phone number, your best option is to use Discord's normal recovery process. You can go to the Discord login page, click on the password reset option, and follow the instructions sent to your email or phone. That's the official and safest way to get back into your account. But if you no longer have access to either one, the reality is that the account cannot be recovered through Discord support. There isn't a secret workaround, and there isn't an alternate method that bypasses those security checks. So if someone online claims they can reset your Discord account without email or phone verification, be very careful, because that is often misleading or unsafe. The most important thing here is to protect your account in the future. If you regain access later, make sure your Discord account has a current email address, a verified phone number, and two-factor authentication turned on. That way, if you ever get locked out again, recovery will be much easier. So to sum it up, no, you cannot reset or recover a Discord account without access to the registered email or phone number. Discord support cannot verify your identity without one of those methods. If you do have access to either one, use the standard recovery steps. If you don't, the account unfortunately cannot be restored. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.